have like cousins that you know like over Facebook or over Instagram, but you ain't never really met them in person. Y'all are like extended family. Y'all are like my cousins that I've never met.
You guys wanted me to do a video while I was intoxicated. As you can tell, I have already been drinking. I have my drink in this beautiful cup here, and I'm drinking Bacardi Gold. So, and y'all, I hate dark liquor. So for my concealer today, I'm going to be using the LA Pro Girl Concealer, and it is in the color Light Ivory. So the first question is, who are you named after? And I don't have an answer for that question. I know I was named by my dad, but I'm not sure if it was after anybody. Y'all, I feel like I'm drunk already. With a little bit of Laura Mercier setting powder. So the second question is, when was the last time you cried? I'm a very emotional person. Completely emotional. I'm super emotional. So the last time I cried was yesterday. And I probably didn't have a good reason to cry, but at the time, I felt it was necessary. I feel like girls need to cry at least once every 2 weeks. And I know I'm not the only person that used to make myself cry. Like, I would watch these coming home videos and these we're expecting announcements, and I would just be crying my eyes out, y'all. And I would still watch the videos. I'm not sure why. Number 3 is, do you have children? And the answer to that question is no. No, I don't have any kids. I would like kids one day. Is it me? Does anybody else have this palette? You know what? I think it's because this palette smells like coffee with whimsy. Fourth question is, if you were another person, would you be a friend of yourself? I would be a friend of myself because I know that I'm a good person. But to deal with me is like a completely different story. I think I'm going to go in with a drama right here. I'm going to take some of the color Smoked, which is right here. I'm just going to put that in this V area. I hope this comes out good, y'all, because I don't know.
Oh my god, I feel like this is not gonna go anywhere good. Okay. Maybe if I start. Oh my god. Okay.
And number, I don't even know if I answered number 5. Number 6, what's the first thing you notice about people? The first thing I notice about people has to be their smile. So number 7, what is your eye color? My eye color is brown. Scary movies or happy endings. I'm all for a happy ending. Like, yes, sis, get your man. I'm drunk, y'all. But I love scary movies. I absolutely love scary movies. So I would have to go with scary movies. Even though like I'm the scariest person that you will ever meet, like I will legit be in my room with the lights on, TV on, everything on, trying not to focus on what I just saw. My favorite smells are, I love the smell of a good cologne on a man. Yes, it just smells delicious. And then and then I love the smell of gas. Not sure why. So I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Color Icon Loose Pigment, and it looks like this. And this is the color Ride On My Copper. Wet n Wild, I feel like y'all was trying to say something with this name of the color. I feel like y'all was trying to say something. I'm not gonna say what I think y'all was trying to say, but I think y'all was trying to say something. Highlighter. I'm going to use some Anglola, and I'm going to put that on my eyelids as well, just because I feel like it'll make a pop. What's the furthest you've been from home? Probably Miami, which is really bad, guys. I do not travel. It's probably Miami. I went down for my sister's baby shower, and it was beautiful, and I love my nephews. Hi, Kaden. Hi, Ryan. I love you. Who came up with this? Who got the formula? Number 11. Do you have any special talents? I mean, I sing a little bit. Not in front of people because I get extremely nervous. I sound just like Fergie. Where were you born? I was born in the Bronx, so I was born in New York. I'll go back every now and again because I left when I was around 5 or 6, so my memory is not the best. But I definitely go back every now and again to visit, and whenever I go, I feel like I'm home. What are your hobbies? Clearly, it's definitely makeup. I feel like I'm moving real slow. I feel like I'm in slow time. So I'm going to try to hurry up. I'm going to use the Mary Kay liner. And do I have any pets? The answer to that is no. Sadly, I had to find a new home for my last pet because his breed was not accepted here in the community in which I live. Look, my wings gonna look different, y'all. I just don't know what to tell you guys. The Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. Number 15 is, do I have any siblings? And the answer to that is yes, I have 2. My brother is 16 and my sister is 20. So now I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. So question number 16 is, what do you want to be when you grow up? Well, shit, I'm already grown. I work at a facility for abused children. Fuck. And I love my kids deeply. I love them deeply. It's a great job. It's very fulfilling. And I'm not sure how I got here, but I'm really sure that God put me here for a reason, and he put me here to help these. Why am I getting emotional? I'm going to do my concealer, which you guys already know is the Tarte Shape Tape Yeah. Who was your first best friend? My first best friend, and I still remember to this day because I was so upset when I moved. My first best friend was Shanisha Dallas. Sorry to put your government name out there, but bitch, I'm drunk. Like, I don't know what to tell you. That was her name, and that was the first person I remember building a bond with. How tall are you? So y'all, I have a story about this because I am extremely sensitive about my height. And I'm not really that short, but I feel like people should respect my height. I'm 5'3". And for the longest time, I thought, y'all, I messed up my damn eyeliner again. So I'm going to set with Laura Mercier setting powder. But I definitely was going around telling people that I was like 5'4.5". A couple of months ago, I went to the doctor to get a physical for my job. So I'm lying, it was like 6 months ago. I went back to get a physical for my new job, and they sit up there and tell me that I'm 5'3". So who should I sue? You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't just give out false dreams like that and have somebody thinking that they taller than they not, because that hurt my feelings. I'm going to take a little bit of my Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm going to do this with a damp beauty blender. Funniest moment throughout school. It wasn't funny back then, but now I can say that it's funny. The time that I fell during lunchtime. So embarrassing. Very traumatic, because it's like, bitch, how you fall during lunch? You know what I'm saying? Like, how you let everybody see you slipping? Literally. Stasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going to use the color Bronzed. I'm glowing, bitch. Probably not in the best way. What was your favorite / worst subject in school? My favorite subject had to be cosmetology. My least favorite subject was probably social studies, because I never knew what the hell was going on. I was never good at remembering dates, not good at remembering the different wars and when they happened and who they happened with. Like, it was just all a big ass blur to me. I probably should learn a little bit more about my history. This is in the color Tea and Cookies, and it is the NYX Liquid Suede. And so the last question of the video is, who are some of my favorite YouTubers? And the answer to that question is, I have a bunch of YouTubers that I completely love and adore, and this is in no particular order. I love Jackie Ina, I love Alyssa Ashley, I love Patrick Starr, I love everyone, like everyone that is representing color. I love everyone that is representing something different. Thank you for watching me be intoxicated, which my makeup may not be the best right now. But I definitely wanted to do this video to show you guys a different side of me and to let you guys get to know me. So make sure that you comment below. If you have a specific video that you would like to see, please make sure that you comment it below. Please make sure that you like this video. Please make sure that you subscribe to this video. That didn't make any sense. That's pretty much it. I just want you guys to get to know me. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thank you for watching. And I will see you in the next one.